You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is m equal or greater than 7. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group all m terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 7m from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the m into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is m equal or greater than 7.